Jagame Thandhiram movie. A small-time gangster Surali, Dhanush from Madurai, is suddenly stuck between two powerful men in London. One a white supremacist and another a Tamil revolutionary. How he reaches there is a crazy tale that can only be justified by Karthik and can strictly be limited to this universe of part lunatics. What side he chooses and becomes a messiah for whose cause is the film. We all know for what the cinema filmmakers like Quentin Tarantino or actors like Al Pacino have made their names for. Of course, the guns, bullets and ultimate machismo. But on top of that, all is the eccentricity in characters, in set pieces and altogether their worlds. Writer-director Karthik Subbaraj with Jagame Thandhiram tries to achieve that. And succeeds too till a point. Let's take his three leading men and how he shapes them up. We meet Surali, Dhanush while he is expected at his wedding, but he is between railway tracks blocking the way for the train with the decorated car. Because he wants to kill an enemy on the train. Cut to London, we are introduced to Siva Dos, Joju George, who is a Tamil revolutionary, part-time smuggler now sitting with a goods-only graffiti in his background, of which an O is probably wiped off. His nemesis Peter, James Cosmo is a white supremacist and has white power written on his car's number plate. If you have the appetite to digest breathing humans like these, Karthik serves a complete platter in the first 30 minutes or so. They kill, shoot, make blasts happen and even make us believe that a singer in the bar singing a Tamil song will be welcomed with applause in London. But where the ship starts sinking is when Subbaraj decides to introduce his main conflict, probably the heart of his story for him. But ends up strangling himself in the conflict of what format of narration should he now focus on? The guns and gangsters or the broken and devastated? The conversation here is about Tamilian refugees at large and from all other countries trying to find a home. When they are not accepted cordially, they make their own ways. Now, Subbaraj introduces this conflict at his shattering best. We are taken to Sri Lanka, where atrocities against Tamilians are at their peak. We see the pain they suffer practically and metaphorical. But what next? Is the battle to find an identity this colorful? Do we promote ill ways to be accepted and make them normal? Do we still go to a woman and tell her to marry you even when she has refused thrice? Major, wo meri bandi hai throwback. Karthik Subbaraj in Jagame Thandhiram falls into his own loopholes. Jagame Thandhiram had the potential to be a film that defined new benchmarks, but it ended up choosing between its conflict. You must watch to see what few creative minds coming together are capable of creating. I will consider this one an experiment and hope that Karthik Subbaraj manages to create a masterpiece on similar grounds. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.